Hi, I'm Seamus Campbell from Startup Tablelands, and I'm talking to Stephen Williams, who's going to talk about Twitch live streaming. We'll be running a workshop on this on the 10th of April, so there'll be details down below this video.
Thank you very much, Seamus. Twitch live streaming is a platform whereby you can broadcast yourself and what you want to do live to the world. It is available for free for anyone to sign up and join up and to start streaming wherever you wish.
Okay, right. So how can I use this in my business?
Yes, so you can. It's a platform that's available for anyone to use. For businesses, it's actually very great because you have direct engagement. You have through your chat, which is a major feature of Twitch, you can directly engage with your viewers in a text-based form. The services that you promote or other merchandise, you can get feedback directly from your audience to both grow yourself and grow your streaming audience. Twitch is one of the most easiest platforms on streaming to be able to generate revenue from compared to other platforms. And it can be a lot more diverse than YouTube as well. So I've been using Twitch now for 7-8 years now, both from content viewing to doing moderation and streaming myself. For caterers, they were promoting themselves on the platform, saying, "Look, this is the cooking I do," and sharing a personal engagement with the stream, with the viewers. And the chat was interacting with them, and some of them now have actually are doing very well of it. Is now become more successful than their catering businesses. Be able to promote their services and be able to get business agreements such as catering for weddings, something that they would probably not had the opportunity to do before. Now, because people are seeing them on the streaming interacting, they say, I love your personality, I love who you are, I love what you're doing, I love your cooking, I want you to cater for my wedding. I came across one just a couple of days ago. It's a fish and chip shop.
Oh yeah.
They had a camera set up on the back. It looked like it probably just a webcam duct taped to the wall somewhere and connected up to the computer, out looking over the entire foods prep area for this fish and chip shop. They're taking customers in. It was an 8-hour stream, and they had 100 people across the world watching them, just watching them doing prepper food and enjoying every little bit of it. And there were people there who apparently had never known about this shop existing, and they actually they were going to that shop because they'd seen them on the stream. They went, we're going to go out of our way and actually go to that shop, and that actually helped them with generating more sales in their fish and chip shop.